Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Facebook account on Monopoly Go. So let's get started. So here we are in Monopoly Go, and to change your Facebook account connected to your Monopoly Go is very easy. All you have to do is tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right of your screen, and then once you're here you can see your profile, shop, network, and so on, but you want to tap on settings. Once you're here in settings, tap on the green button right here that says manage account, and then from here you can disconnect your connected Facebook on your account, or if you don't have one yet, then you can connect a Facebook account on it. So if you want to change your Facebook account connected to your Monopoly Go, tap on disconnect, and then tap on disconnect again, and then it would be disconnected, and then you can log in into your new Facebook account and then connect it into your account, and then in that way you'd be able to change your account connected to your Monopoly Go. Or another method is that you can go and disconnect your Facebook account to this account, and then after that is that you want to go back into your home screen and then uninstall Monopoly Go, delete app, and then reinstall it in the App Store. But if you are in Android, you don't need to uninstall it. You just need to clear the data and then clear the cache, and then you will be able to connect or change your Facebook account in Monopoly Go. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.